Alright everyone, so it looks like key specifications for the Galaxy A37 have released. Let's talk about it. So this article comes from gsmarena.com. If you guys would like to read this on your own time, I'll leave a link in the description down below. As you guys can see, the headline states Samsung Galaxy A37 pops up on Geekbench with key specs. It says Samsung unveiled the Galaxy A36 in March, and we know it's working on the Galaxy A37 as the smartphone's firmware was spotted on Samsung servers. While the firmware didn't reveal any of the Galaxy A37's features, thanks to Geekbench, we know what processor the smartphone will have under the hood. The benchmark database revealed the Samsung Galaxy A37 bearing model code SM-A376B will be powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset. The unit that ran the Geekbench test was running Android 16 and 6GB of RAM on board, but there will be likely more options for customers to choose from. Regarding performance, the Samsung Galaxy A37 scored 1158 and 3401 points in Geekbench's single-core score and multi-core score tests, respectively. We'll probably see slightly improved performance with the retail version, but even now it performs better than the Galaxy A36, which is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor and scored 1007 for the single-core score and scored 2917 in the multi-core score. Other specs on the Samsung Galaxy A37 are unknown, so we'll have to wait for more information to surface to get a better idea. And this article came out, or this news rather came out a couple weeks ago, so let me know, are you guys excited about this? We do have some other news for the Galaxy A37 as well. I guess it's going to be getting a broad release around the US, Canada, and all around the world as well. So the US is going to be getting the Galaxy A37. This is something that I was hoping that was going to happen. And it sure seems that Samsung did a good job with the Galaxy A36 in the United States last year. So I'm sure the A37 is going to do well as well. And another article that I was reading the other day, they were talking about how there was going to be a broad release in the US. And they were basically saying that they are going to have a bunch of different carrier versions. So they're going to have, I'm sure, a Verizon version, a T-Mobile version, a Metro by T-Mobile version, a Cricket Wireless version, and then they were going to have unlocked versions for the United States customers as well as the Canadian customers too. So you guys are going to be thrown in there as well. But great news, Galaxy A37 is going to be coming to the US, and it looks like we are going to be getting a better processor inside this device, or a quicker, more optimized processor inside of here, which is great to see. Any other news and any other new specifications I get on this device, I will reveal them to you as soon as possible. But I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace out, Tech Gang.